Hello friends, I am Dr. Satyendra Kumar Yadav. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is certificate of deposit. Friends, certificate of deposit is a money market instrument issued for a period of less than 1 year, and the certificate of deposit is a negotiable instrument. It means it is transferable, and certificate of deposits is mostly issued by the commercial banks, scheduled banks, except the RRBs, and this also issued by the some financial institutions as per the guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India. Friends, the certificate of deposit, it is like fixed deposit of the bank, but the tenure of fixed deposit is more than 1 year, but that in case of the certificate of deposit, the tenure is less than 1 year and it is transferable. The ordinary fixed deposit receipt is neither negotiable nor transferable. It is only assignable. But certificate of deposit is transferable. CD is negotiable certificate payable to the bearer. It means again it is transferable. Certificate of deposits appeared in the United States of America in 1961. But in India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, permitted the banks to issue the CDs from June 1989. CDs are meant for large deposits so that the administrative cost of the banks is reduced, and banks issue the CDs to fulfill their short-term money requirements. And certificate of deposit, it is a short-term security, while the ordinary FD can be either short-term or long-term security. Now, friends, some special features of certificate of deposits are as follows. If we talk about the borrower, who are the borrower? Friends, the certificate of deposit mostly issued by the scheduled bank. Scheduled bank means the banks which are listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934, and but all scheduled banks except the RRBs can issue the certificate of deposit without any requirements. On receiving the deposits, the bank issue the negotiable instruments. Negotiable instruments means these certificate of deposits are transferable. Thus, we can say the banks scheduled banks except RRBs are the borrower of the certificate of deposit. Now, who are the investors who purchase these certificate of deposits? Generally, these certificate of deposits are purchased by the well-established companies, institutions, HNIs, high net worth individuals, or any other funds. The purpose to invest in the certificate of deposit is for a period of less than 1 year. The minimum period is, students, is 7 days, and the most popular tenure of the CDs, investment in CDs, is 30 days or 3 months. Now, the tenure, time period, maturity period. The maturity period of CD is issued by the bank should not be less than 7 days. It means the minimum days of the investment in CD is 7 days and maximum is 1 year, because it is a money market instrument. And the most popular tenure in case of certificate of deposits is 3 months. Now, denomination of CD. Here, denomination of CD means what is the minimum investment we can do in the certificate of deposits. Friends, in the initially, as per the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India, the minimum investment was 1 crore when the CDs appeared in India in 1989, and further in the multiple of 5 lakh. Then later it was revised and minimum denomination was 10 lakh and multiple of rupees 5 lakh. But at present, Reserve Bank of India has revised the minimum denomination. The minimum investment in the certificate of deposit is rupees 1 lakh, and further it means the minimum deposit that could be accepted from a single subscriber should not be less than 1 lakh, and in multiple of rupees 1 lakh thereafter. For example, if you want to purchase the certificate of deposit, minimum 1 lakh is required, and if you want to increase your investment, then you will increase thereafter 1 lakh 1 lakh. Now the negotiable instrument, friends, negotiable instruments means the certificate of deposits are transferable. After investing in the certificate of deposits, one party can transfer these to the others, and they will be redeemed to the holder at the maturity period. In many cases, it is payable to the order of the depositor or to the bearer of the instrument. There is an initial lock-in period for 30 days during which it cannot be transferred. As per the guidelines of RBI, minimum 30 days you have to hold the certificate of deposit. Then after this, you will be eligible to transfer your certificate of deposit. Now, what is the price? At what price we can issue the certificate of deposit? The face value. The face value at which it is, there are two values. One is face value, one is discount value. These certificate of deposits are issued at the discount value, discount price, and redeemed at the face value, or face value is also called maturity value. Discount is decided by the demand and supply forces. When there is a high demand in the investment of certificate of deposit, then obviously there will be a low discount price. And if it is less demand, then they will give the high discount. Most of the certificate of deposits, they are held by the depositors until the maturity. But as we know that they are transferable. As a result, secondary market has not developed. It means they cannot be sold and purchased in the secondary market. DFHI has started buying the CDs. So this was the overview of the certificate of deposit. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this concept. Thank you.